Johnson County Community College strives to offer its students a broad range of credit options and real-world experience. The Wylie Hospitality and Culinary Academy is just one way we bring these opportunities to the community.
We are nationally recognized. We're actually one of the oldest and the largest American Culinary Federation accredited apprenticeship programs in the United States. Our students are learning their job skills while they work a full-time job. As a paid skilled apprentice registered with the Department of Labor and the American Culinary Federation.
If you're not sure which sector of hospitality to get into, we have plenty of options to choose from.
Students that come to the Food and Beverage Management program are going to learn the supervisory and managerial skills that they need in order to run a food service operation.
JCCC's Hotel and Lodging program digs a little deeper simply because we require the students to actually work in hotels or work in hospitality, so we can compare real-life situations to what I'm teaching in class.
The pastry baking program gives a student a great way, an entry into the industry. The goal of that program is to get students as close to a real-time experience working in a bake shop as we possibly can here.
In our dietary management program, you will learn how to create healthy options within client budgets and earn your CDM and CFPP credentials. In these courses, you will learn both front of house and back of house skills, graduating with the knowledge to run your business effectively and be the creative mind behind its products.
The goal of our program for our graduates is to enter the culinary industry in a management level position of some type.
Of course, classes aren't the only way to get involved at the Wylie Hospitality and Culinary Academy. Our culinary competition team is consistently one of the best in the United States. We have won multiple regional and U.S. college national championships. We also frequently compete in international competitions, including representation of the United States as the college team in the 2020 Culinary Olympics. Our state-of-the-art facility features 5 culinary labs equipped with the latest in restaurant standard appliances, tools, and dining areas.
The facilities are phenomenal. We have great partnerships with the community, and that really helps to provide students the opportunity to do things that they may not get somewhere else.
Nationally and all over the Kansas City area, our graduates are the restaurant managers, chefs, the owners of restaurants, and their success in the real world is just a fantastic statement of what a great series of programs we have here at Johnson County Community College.
Between affordability, state-of-the-art facilities, and hands-on opportunities, JCCC's Wylie Hospitality and Culinary Academy is a sure bet for your future. Visit us at jccc.edu/hospitality to find out more.